Hello, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10L. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security, and go to screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin, and password. Firstly, let's select none. Now let's select swipe. Now let's select pin. This time let's select password. And in the end, let's select pattern. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.